Hello guys, I came with another tutorial on how to make the curl using weaving thread. Yeah, stay tuned and then see how that thread is transforming the curl. I'll be taking the thread the way I am showing in the picture or in the video, and then you just wrap around and around. You leave a little bit of space in between, and then you can have the way of pushing the string after. Yeah, you see, yeah, you pull like that, and then you wrap around again. This is the weaving thread. It's not that big, but it is good. It is fast. I prefer this method than using the rolling. I feel like this one, I make this I do this faster compared when I do with the rolling method. And this method is fast, and the result is good too. I like the result. It's better for me. I feel like it's better compared to when you use the rolling method. And let's see how those weaving thread give the result. Stay tuned.